Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Focus MK3 guys. This is the third generation Ford Focus from year 2012 to year 2019. We'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace your bumper grille. Okay, the upper bumper grill. Stay with us, that's what we'll be covering. In the meantime guys, quick introduction. We'll have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus third generation and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys and like the video for all the work we do and all the free information we provide to you guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts for your car or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get parts and tools for a super good price. Now, that bumper guys, bumper grill, okay, practically I don't think you need to remove the bumper, but that way we'll be able to show you things a little bit better. We'll explain if it's in the vehicle, okay, what you can do to actually gain a little bit more room and how to do that. So stay with us and we're going to start on that now. If you guys need to gain a little bit more room to push a few clips on the grill, all you have to do, okay, right here on top you have 4 clips that you need to remove, and then you can just pry a little bit and gain a little bit of visibility that way. But okay, we just found a nest in our car. So now right here you can see in the corners guys, okay, we need to remove, there is 2 clips. Just pry that piece up, then pry the other one up. Perfect. You can see how it goes one in one. Same thing applies to this side. Pry the first piece up, then the second one. Now that bumper grill guys, okay, check it out now. If you grab it here, okay, all it does, it actually slides in. It has a few clips, okay, that we'll need to pry out. And those clips are from the back side guys. We're going to explain now where they are and how we can access them. Okay, right here is one of them. You can kind of see it. So if we push down, okay, let's see, we can access from the back side, not like that. You're going to damage your grill. From the back side and spread it a little bit or push the clip out, you will be able guys, okay, to come out. Okay, it's still holding there. And it's holding pretty good by the way. Now we have a few on the bottom guys and we're pushing those from the back side. Okay, trying to get those things out as well. And it looks like this one, in my opinion, it's still holding, okay, just a little bit. So we need to get a smaller screwdriver just to spread it a little bit and see if it's going to come out or not. Okay, yeah, it came out. This one came out guys. So you can see we have on bottom here, okay, another one that we need to pull out. It's in this corner and we need to, I think on top we have 3. So we're going to remove those now, and you can actually access them from, okay, from behind. This is a big clip, this is a smaller one, okay, and the one that we removed already, okay, it's right here. So let me show you. Okay, it's this one here, and then we have on the bottom a few that we need to disconnect as well. So let me come behind the bumper actually so I can show you things a little bit better and you can get an idea. So now we're working on that back clip. If you guys cannot get room, what I would recommend, just remove the bumper. Not too complicated, the video is on the channel. Okay, so I'm prying on the grill on the front. We're just trying to get the screwdriver in the middle so we can gain a little bit of room. Okay, perfect. It came out on this side too. So we have one more on top and then we have the bottom ones. Okay, I'm talking about this one here. Okay, oh, almost came out, and then it stopped. Okay, perfect. This one came out too. Okay, now we need to go underneath. We have a few that hold, guys, underneath, and there all the way. Okay, all the way here somewhere. Okay, those are the ones? I think so. Yep. We just have one more like that. Okay, right here in this corner. I can kind of see it from, okay, right here. There is one clip. No, it's going to break like that. So let's see if, oh, okay, I see it from right here. Okay, if we go in that corner, okay, let's pull now. I think it came out. Okay, just a little bit more. So we got it out, okay, all the way out. Not an easy design, so practically, guys, you do have to remove your bumper cover, otherwise I don't think you will be able to. So we have one more there. Okay, it looks like we have another one somewhere. Let me see. Oh, we don't. Yep, there is one more little one. Okay, perfect. We're loose on this side. Now we just have, okay, this one here. That's behind the emblem. And that little guy here. Okay, I'll try to get a little bit of view like that, because that one is definitely holding. Okay, when I come up to here, I can see that this one is holding here. So let's go ahead, get a smaller screwdriver. Almost out. Now we'll need to press it in on the other side a little bit towards me. Okay, a little bit towards my end. You can see it just still holding barely a little bit there. So let me grab one screwdriver. Okay, I'll flip the camera so we can get some light. Okay, let's try if somebody's pulled on the front now. Okay, now it's going to come out. If somebody pulls on the front, it should come out. Okay, it did come out. Perfect. Now we have this one here. Give me a second now. Okay, pull. No. Okay, pull now. Perfect. Almost out. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, what we're doing here. This is the front side of the grill. So we have 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, 1 there. So this one, guys, will be for the emblem too, in order to remove your emblem. Okay, same thing here. Okay, perfect. Now we have the one over there, that's a little one. Okay, that little one is the toughest one to do, guys. I don't know why, but you just don't want to break it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now it should come out. Perfect. This one came out too. And we just have 2 more that we need to do. Nope, no, we're going to break it. No, don't pray, guys, ever. So this one is all the way in. Give me a second now. Okay, to see exactly where it is. Okay, and how it goes. It is just like this one here, so I need to press it down. Down, press down, yep. And the grille and the emblem, guys, everything came out. Okay, you can see. So let us explain where all the clips are now. On top, one, you have 2 that came out pretty easy here. Then you have 3, 4. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, guys. So quite a few clips, but all that, guys, okay, you can see, came out. Now that middle one, probably we didn't have to remove it. This one was for the bumper, wasn't for the grille. So that's how you guys remove the grille and the emblem. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.